Now we're coming to something big. This is our Streetlifting competition combo rack. It's the same as our powerlifting competition rack, just for streetlifting or weighted calisthenics. Means we're offering one solution for squats, muscle ups, chin ups or pull-ups, and dips. Now we work our way through the rack step by step, starting with the squat. The squat attachment is quite similar to our powerlifting rack, which means it features a height changing mechanism made very easy with our new innovative lever system, which doesn't require a second pin to change the heights. But as this rack will not be on competition stage for most of its lifetime, but in a regular gym setting, we also welded a second upright to the front, which offers the possibility to attach the original safety catches to ensure a safe squat during training sessions. Next we have the pull-up bars. These are added in 2.70 m height. They have 35 mm diameter and have ring markings to make it easier for you to find your grip width. Then we have the second bar on 3.30 m height. This is meant to hold the rings for ring muscle ups with the women's division, also offering the grip width markings so you can adjust the rings in width. But no worries, you don't need to leave it on. So if you don't have the proper height in your room, then you can leave it out so that the rack is not 3.30 m but around 2.90 m side only. In the back we have the dip station. The dip station features the adjustable dip bars that is also available for the modular rack range. It's easy to adjust by just pulling one pop pin, and if you want to have them out of the way, you can just swing them to the back. These are in 50 mm diameter, perfect for heavy dips. The whole rack has the possibility to be bolted to the floor, but due to the smart footprint it is not needed. Even with heavy muscle ups performed, the whole rack stands stable on its own, which is also supported by the integrated plate holders, which are of course also super practical. Due to having the same size and featuring the same holes, the uprights are meant to have the same attachments as the modular rack range, so you can also add bar holders or in a gym setting maybe even something like a landmine. All in all, you can see even with its enormous size, it's still a very compact solution for a lot of lifts all in one.